So you are looking for space. You're looking for a 5-6 bedroom home. We got the property for you. We are in the east side of Las Vegas, and this one actually has just under a half acre. I cannot wait to show you this beauty. Come on. You probably can't see this, but I'm standing here and I see nothing but the beautiful Las Vegas Strip. We just sold this actual half-acre plot of land here next to the property, but that view in the evening, and you'll see it from the balcony in this property as well. Absolutely beautiful. You have your own C-shaped driveway entry into this beautiful oak tree that's been with this property forever. This one in this area, we do have septic tanks, and we actually have a leach field over here to our right. You can see just below the tree, that's probably where we can actually go inside to our leach area down there. But our septic tank is going to be on the opposite side of the home. But just for you guys to be aware of that, we are on septic on these properties. And now let's go inside the property. I'm gonna let you go in first. As you enter, of course, the stairs to the front. But when you turn right back around towards your left, if you go to the left here, you are gonna walk first into your family room. And then your family room takes you, of course, into your beautiful dining area. Now, this home is 1980, so we do still have some wood-burning fireplaces. And we have not just one, but two of them actually here in this property as well. Beautiful dining area. We'll take you out next door as well. You do have a nice strip of land out there. We've had some wonderful social gatherings out here with this great family. We're walking you into the kitchen this way from your family, from your dining, but beautiful chopping blocks, as you can see. Now, don't mistake these cabinets for sort of the entry-level cabinets. These are nice, solid cabinetry. All the wood here as well. Nice, solid cabinetry. The doors on the property here, nice, solid wood doors here as well. And once you get over this way, you can see some of the beautiful trim around these doors. Fantastic flooring. Everything from the lights. This now is your family. I may have said family on the other one. That was more your living room. This is your family room. You have a wonderful bar here. Sink, places for all your beverages of choice and everything else here. As we said before, this is 6 bedrooms. This is going to be one of our first bedrooms downstairs. It could be a bedroom, it could be an office, it could be sort of your flex space, if you will. French doors coming in. This is towards the front of the property. Beautiful kitty is not coming with the property. We have some built-ins in regards to this property as well. We're going to take you back towards the garage area. We do have a 3-bay garage on this one. Before we get you to the garage and everything else, we're going to look at this flex space in here. It's sort of a drop area for the family. Everything from hunting, fishing, stuff that they do here, storage in here. And then back through this way, we're going to have you see that this, of course, is where your laundry is. And if you continue going through there, you'll see that there is a 3/4 bath in there. You have your shower, sink, wonderful commode. And as you can see, we have a really large garage space. We have a 3-bay scenario, open ceilings here. And this is only on the garage area. You still do have some storage up there. As you can see, the family has been wonderfully creative as far as putting that there. But one of your bays are back this way. So if you need space, this is definitely going to be the garage for you because we have a lot of great space here. Everything from a central vac to the saltwater system to the HVAC, all of that stuff is here. Newly placed in the property, anywhere from like 2021, 2020 on some of these. So a lot of that has been done here. Now taking you out of the fantastic garage space into other parts of the home. And welcome to another beautiful section of the home, the beautiful backyard. As you can see, we have nothing but open space back here. Again, we're just under a half acre on this one. We have RV, incredible RV parking back there. One of the largest RV sections or spots here in this area. This is probably like, I believe, a 32. I think this RV space is more like a 50-foot. So it's definitely something that a lot of people would love and they want. This is for all the toys, all the folks that want to be able to enjoy everything in this area and place all of their fun back here. This is a Casita, and the Casita has everything from the plumbing, bathrooms, and everything else. We'll pop you inside of that really quickly as well. And as you can see, the beautiful pool. And what you're not really able to take in as much is, again, that beautiful strip view. So just imagine all the great parties you're having, all the social events that you're having here on this particular home, or not, and just enjoying it with your family. And then I'm going to sneak you guys over to a section right next to the property. We have a nice long creative space that you can do what you'd like to as well. But again, I've had the pleasure of being here with this family during some wonderful events. And this has always been a fun little section that we've popped the fire open and stacked some chairs around. But you have everything here from the chicken coops to the fireplace. Say hello to the chickies or the roosters. Don't get too close. They may not. There they go. And more storage space here as well. So again, a lot of nice space right next door to you as far as what you guys can do here. I've sat here many times around the fire and just enjoyed the beautiful Las Vegas strip here at night and all those kind of great things. So imagine 4th of July, imagine New Year's, and just seeing all those wonderful things. And now for the Casita. And as you can see, it has its own fire pit area. It has its own deck. Isn't that cool? And then inside, I'd love for you guys to just enjoy. So enter in, and immediately to your right, you're going to see that you do have your bathroom area. And if you sit right behind you there, you can see, of course, a twin bed here, dining area, windows galore. And if you guys don't know, beautiful little happiness is here as well. So this is the Casita. Its own separate water heater and everything else on this one. So again, teenagers, kids, mother-in-law, all that kind of great stuff could be right here. Solar panels are also on this beautiful property, paid off, ready to go, taking advantage of all this beautiful sun that we definitely get here. Before we go up, I'm going to sneak you guys over this way because I love looking at the property from here and just taking in this, not shotgun view, but just this great view of the backyard and looking towards the kitchen right about here. Look at that magic. Just nice and long and depth. So you can see if the kids are getting into anything and all that kind of good stuff. From your kitchen, there is that separation, but you can still see them. And now we're going to take you guys upstairs. All right, let's go upstairs. You will find 4 of your rooms here. First, you have a bathroom that is shared with the rooms up here. Has been redone, tile, cabinetry, and you have a second bedroom here, or I should say third, because we showed you 2 downstairs already. Third bedroom here. And if you just continue straight ahead, and our 4th bedroom here. And let's get you to our last two. Again, down the hallway, this is where the stairs came up, and we're going into our 5th bedroom. Let's take a look at that view from this, because there's a balcony that runs across the back part of this home. Again, I wish we can get that view for you, a little bit more of that Las Vegas view strip, but you can see it when you're standing here. So just imagine that. We have off to right behind me, it's going to be your walk-in closet. You have your walk-in closet there. A lot of great space for whomever to be deemed to one side of it or what have you. And then we have our bathroom on this one. So this particular room actually is en suite. Again, these bathrooms have been done from the flooring, showers, and all of this at a really wonderful price. Transitions on the floor, those details, as you can see, have really been taken care of and looked at. And then now we're going to take you into the primary suite, I should say. This goes downstairs to our entry, of course, and this is your primary suite. It's an L-shaped primary suite. 2 large windows right by the bed, and heading out towards that back area is going to be near our balcony, not near the balcony. Again, you have nothing but the strip views from here. So when we go outside of here, look at that fun. And last part is going to be your primary bath. Again, has going to be done. Now, of course, the countertops and the sinks, the tub, all those kind of great things, that's waiting for your expertise of your creativity in regards to what you'd like to do. But again, any questions about this beautiful property, please make sure you reach out to us, and make sure you come back and subscribe. Click the links down below. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Share this video for anyone that may be looking in the Henderson East side of the valley. And we look forward to showing them property, and we'll see you in our next video.